There are some similarities of Rahu Ketu, and similarities of Rahu Ketu are, no, I'm saying certain things are shared by Rahu and Ketu. Rahu and Ketu are shadow planets. They are shadows, right? So, spies, spy, underworld, even some criminals, they will be denoted by Rahu and Ketu. What Rahu does, it eclipses the sun. Sun is a king. So, underworld eclipses the government for a short time. Eclipses for the short time only. And what is the work of this underworld?
Drug trafficking.
Then arms trafficking, which is
Whatever is illegal. Illegal activities.
illegal activity. और क्या होगा? एक्सरे, rays which cannot be seen.
बॉडी पार्ट कुछ आता है इसमें? नहीं।
बॉडी पार्ट कुछ नहीं. और क्या होगा?
जेमस्टोन।
जेमस्टोन तो भी करेंगे, अलग अलग है, that is अलग है. तो इकट्ठा है वो यही है, ठीक है. एंड सडननेस, anything which happens suddenly, dacoity, it is sudden, terrorist activity is sudden, earthquake etc.
दोनों में सडन रहता है।
वो राहु केतु दोनों सडन है.
नॉर्मली ऐसा पढ़ते थे कि राहु ही सडन है कि
नहीं, केतु भी सडन.
केतु भी सडन।
अब राहु जो हो गया is like Saturn, राहु व्रत शनि, पूजा व्रत केतु. तो पूजा केतु व्रत पूजा व्रत केतु. अब
राहु शनिवार के.
but it will be worse, even worse. Like Saturn is servant, so it will be Chandal, people who work at cremation company. It is like Saturn. The metal is same as Saturn and the gemstone is gold. Ketu is like Mars. So Ketu is wound. Mars is cuts and wounds. You can write down, I forgot to mention. It is because it is army, police. So cuts and wounds will come into the portfolio of Mars. So Ketu is also cuts and wounds, and Ketu is chubhana, means sting. And insects, insect bites. Another thing is Rahu and Ketu signify drugs, because it is drug trafficking. So I forgot writing drugs. It is drugs. The color is same. Rahu's color is same, blue and black. This is sandal. Color is sandal or grey and multicolor also. And moksha. And then leprosy, teda meda. Now we come on to the Venus.
केतु मोक्ष का क्या?
अब है सो है, we cannot say.
सडनली तो मोक्ष नहीं मिल सकता.
हाँ नहीं correct नहीं मिल सकता. But why it is so, I also do not know. Because Rahu and Ketu are things which are undefined. We do not know.
Okay.
तो मोक्ष also we do not know. उसको मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. तो सोचने की बात है ना हमारी. तो शायद इसलिए डाल दिया उसने. तो now coming on to Venus. So Rahu Ketu is underworld. So this, because this is female-ish, so it is more attractive, luxurious. So underworld which is more attractive, वो कौन हो गया? विष कन्या. Vish Kanya means a lady who has been planted as a spike. So honey trap. So Vish Kanya is honey trap. तो फंस गया वो गांधी जी, वरुण गांधी जी, honey trap. ठीक है? So another example for this is Diane. Diane, you know. So this is what I was talking about, the different culture and Sanskriti. So when English people will come to Karnataka, so they will not say it is Karnataka, they will say it is Karnataka. And Kerala is Kerala. Krishna is Na. Ram is
Okay, Diana.
Rama. Diana.
Okay.
Diana Spencer. So Diane, what she did, she first married the prince, but nobody knew whose children were, William and George. Then whosoever get entangled with the Diane, one was her bodyguard, he died. The person who used to teach horse riding to their children, he also got entangled with Diane. He also was murdered. Then Dodi also got murdered or met with an accident and died. So whosoever other than Prince Charles get entangled with the Diane, that he died. Very dangerous. Very attractive. Luxurious. Right. Attractive. Dangerous. Thick. Then drugs. Those drugs which we take on 14th February. So 14th February is a very dangerous. 14th February or nearby dates are very dangerous. So 12th February, I don't remember exactly. 12th February is Rose Day. 13th is Chocolate Day. 14th is हाँ? वो कौन सा है नाम है उसका? 14th February is Valentine Day. And 15th is Kick Day. So it is all Rahu Ketu, Venusy Graha. Attractive, luxurious, because the rose become 1 rupee or 5 rupee rose becomes 100 rupees.
Artificial value.
Huh?
Artificial value.
Value increases. Then it becomes very dangerous. If just by chance you have purchased a rose on that day and you have put in your shop, so everybody is means seen with question marks and may tell your wife the rose was found in his pocket. What is the problem? It becomes very dangerous. Even if you give to your wife on that day, the wife will ask 100 questions. Why have you brought this rose? It was so costly. Why you bought it today?
Did you bought it or somebody else gave you?
That is the point. I wanted to make.
Correct.
ये बड़ा क्वेश्चन है. And if you are coming late on Valentine Day, It's
किसी
again
साथ
very dangerous. And why you have to love on the 14th February only? Why
Actually,
14th
it is so
February?
stupid.
It is not allowed to love on 13th February or 12th February or 14th of March. What is the problem on 14th of March?
Actually, उनका वो कोई पोप मरा था.
कोई नहीं
That's
पॉप
so
जो
stupid.
कोई
Some
पॉप नहीं
priest.
मैडम जी
कोई
कोई
नहीं
पॉप
गलत
नहीं
है।
मरा कोई पॉप नहीं मरा सब ख्याल में
ख्याल में.
ये सब आर्चिस का कार्ड बेचने का
हाँ, वो तो 100% है. अच्छा, इसीलिए we need to start.
गिफ्ट शॉप कैसा चलेगा फादर डे मदर डे पापा डे मम्मी डे बहन जी डे भाई साहब डे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट
दूसरे दिन पापा नहीं रहते.
see when you talk about our festivals Indian festivals Diwali it is celebration in the society it is not personal festival Holi is not a personal festival Karwa Chauth is not a personal festival first thing is the prior to the Karwa Chauth you have to give gift to your mother-in-law only then you can celebrate this is the in South India I think it is not
No,
celebrated
it's not.
but in North India it is celebrated so how it is a society event that the daughter-in-law has to give a gift to the mother-in-law first the prior to the Karwa Chauth. What is the meaning? If there is any problem between the daughter-in-law and the mother-in-law, there is a probability of mending that. If there is any clash, well, okay, let us try to mend. Then in the evening, all the ladies of the community will sit together and do puja collectively. So that means all who are having some clashes,
They
they
have
will
come
try to
together.
resolve. Right? Then at around 8:30, 8:45, when she sees the moon, only then the owl will be वो जो उल्लू की जो है पूजा तभी होगी उससे पहले नहीं होगी
उल्लू की पूजा होती है.
लक्ष्मी
अच्छा.
husband brings the Lakshmi husband
मैं सोच रही हूँ आप प्रॉपर उल्लू की पूजा हो.
husband लाता है ना लक्ष्मी घर में see it is the responsibility of the husband who will bring the Lakshmi money in the house so Lakshmi is always riding on the Ullu.
Correct.
So Lakshmi Pujan is on the Diwali day. The Ullu Pujan is
Karwa.
11 days before. Okay. So it is. So why the puja? Why the love day is on 14th? And on 14th February, normally what is done is all the hotels, all these DJs, they will be booked. And the boys and girls will take what?
Spiritualism.
Drugs.
spirit
Drugs. No, it is not only, they will take drugs now. Spirituality is with Sachin. Rahu Ketu is drugs. So they will take different type of drugs. All together. And normally you will find in Chandigarh and certain other cities which have become cosmopolitan, you will find at night there is a lot of problem which police has to face or go through. The girls will be lying down on the roads. पी के पड़ी है पता ही नहीं क्योंकि वो girls जो हैं they are not from that particular city, they have come to study in the cities like Bangalore or Bangalore or Chandigarh from the villages and all. So they don't have the parents there monitoring, so it happens. And the drugs at that time are very costly and different type of drugs will come at that time. Like Venom, सांप का जहर थोड़ा सा लेंगे उसका अलग नशा है। वो नशा करके प्यार आएगा तो ये राहु केतु वाला लव है लव विच इज ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम राहु केतु एंड बिकम्स विनसीकरण हो जाता है उसका इसका जो होगा नॉर्मली स्मैक एंड अदर हीरोइन एक्सेट्रा इधर जो हो जाएगा वो जो 14 फरवरी को हो जाएगा उसका अलग ही मजा। ठीक, so this is, and Venus has its own portfolio also. Venus has its own portfolio also, and that is, which is whatever thing which is liked by ladies comes under the portfolio of Venus. What ladies like, madam? Jewelry,
Cosmetics,
cosmetics,
gold, jewelry, gold एक ही है.
gold. They like more jewelry than gold. And what men like? Ladies. So ladies also become ladies. Diamond. Whatever glitters and costly. Then people who are Venus, who are the people who are film stars. People get crazy towards them, right?
Art,
For
art also.
yeah, art, etc. So now, who is the most celebrated or most famous actor from Tamil is? Tamil film industry is
Rajinikanth.
Rajinikanth. Have you seen him? He's so ugly, but people are mad because of his beauty.
Which beauty God knows. Inner beauty.
Shah Rukh Khan,
पागल है.
ठीक है, he is crazy, somewhat like an insane person because he behaves like that. His body has undergone surgery so many times. He is a drug addict, smokes a lot. Drug addict right down, smokes a lot,
Change.
chain smoker. But what he is advertising, you know, people are still crazy about it. And he is aided by underworld. Then Salman Khan. Story writer is his father. Aided by underworld and under the name of his brother. Heroine is always different. Story writer is same. Producer is always the same. And even the this गाना जो गाती है क्या नाम है?
Singer, playback singer.
नहीं, not playback singer. वो जो गाना होता है item song
हाँ.
is always sung on the in the film by her bhabhi. It's fixed. Malaika Arora Khan. Story is always the same. Always the movie is released on Eid. So this is all the Rahu Ketu blended with Venus. तो बड़ा अजीब सी दुनिया है वीनस की. ये बड़ी चमत्कारी दुनिया है. दुनिया पागल है, माल मिलता है, मिलता कुछ नहीं. You don't get anything out of it. You are, in the end, you will find you will get cheated. You are
Exploited.
actually cheated. They have exploited.